Just begun our trek. Our first stop is an orchid and butterfly farm. So pretty excited for that. We have a lot of awesome things going on today. We just met a couple, well, I guess we have 5 people in our group, and 2 girls from Michigan, they're really awesome, and then another guy from France. So we actually met before on our overnight bus here to Chiang Mai. So that's really awesome, a really cool bunch of people, and we've already had some awesome conversations, and I think we're gonna have a lot of fun next couple days. So yeah. Whoa. We're now at the Karen Longneck tribe village. These people, they put the brass rings on their neck, and they every once in a while put another one on to lengthen their neck. And they do it from when they were very little. I don't really know why. I don't know if it's a religious thing or something, but this should be really interesting. I'm really interested in seeing this. We had to pay a little bit extra to do this, but I think it'll be worth it. Up like why they do that, because just really interesting. We don't know if it's like for cosmetics sort of thing, but the boys don't do it, only the women, and they start from when they're very small. Anyways, that was interesting. I'm glad we did that, I think.
Yeah.
Just trekked up the mountain. It took us about 3 or 4 hours. It was about this in incline. It was hard. It really was hard. It was really beautiful. The colors are so vibrant. It's like red dirt, green everywhere. And then we got up here to this little village. They live in tiny huts. It's called the Lahu people, I think. L-A-H-U, I'm pretty sure. And it's really incredible to be up here with people who have pretty much nothing. It just makes you think about perseverance and working hard. I mean, they built this village at the top of a mountain. They had to bring everything up here. I really like being up here. I like the simplicity of it.
You know, technology is really great for 3 days. It'll be really nice.
Yeah, I think we have a good 3 days coming. This is much more remote than I expected. It's a beautiful morning here in the Lahu village. We slept in a reed bamboo plank hut. It's just really humbling to be here. They build and make everything on their own. That lady that I just showed you is grinding up some sort of grain to make some flour. But it's been really awesome to be here. We're leaving today in a few hours after we eat breakfast and stuff. I really am so grateful that I get to do this trip and that we've been able to come on this trek. It's much more rural and remote and extreme than I thought it was going to be. There's a few other tourists up here, but not too many, which I like. I think it's part of the experience. They have a school up here. These people are really strong. The things that I've learned in every second of this trip are just incomparable to what I've learned in my whole life. The importance of being kind and working hard is just as important as ever. So I highly recommend it. I think it's just really beneficial. So I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. We definitely will, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Here to feed the elephants. We've had a really great day, but as we've gotten here, we all felt sort of iffy about participating in the elephant feeding, just because they're not treated very well. So we don't really know what to do, but they're really beautiful. You can tell that they're sad. And apparently one of the girls in our group read that sugarcane and bananas, which is what they're having us feed them, is really unhealthy for them. So I don't know. It's really sad. But we'll see. I'll show you guys them. We get to take them to the river and bathe them, and they look very hot. So I think that would be a nice thing to do for them. We've just made it to our camp. It's in a more flat spot of the jungle. There's lots of swimming to do and food to be eaten and relaxing to be had. Can you have relaxing?
Yeah,
totally.
You can whatever you want in this world.
So it's really nice. We get to just appreciate the jungle and relax. Get to know our friends better. It's good. It's a good day. Even though the elephants was kind of a downer, we're gonna get over it. We're gonna be happy, and we're gonna just enjoy the beautiful earth.
And eat some food.
Yeah. And we are now going to go whitewater rafting. We had a terrifying night in the jungle hut. our trek the past couple of days. We are just waiting for our bus ride back into the city, and then it will be over. We saw elephants, went whitewater rafting, went bamboo rafting, had an insanely challenging hike up a mountain, straight up a mountain. Stayed with a village tribe, it's called the Lahu tribe. Ate some good food, probably some of the best food we've had all trip.
Yeah.
It was really good. But yeah, we had a ton of fun. We learned a lot. We met really awesome people. I'm really excited for the rest of our trip. It seems crazy that we still have like 80 more days of traveling. It still seems unreal.
I know, it's weird.
Yeah. It's weird that like this is my life right now. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. We have some really awesome adventures coming up. Stay tuned. See you guys.
Bye.